So you may have heard that crypto is in a bear market. Well, in this video, I'm going to take a deep dive into the details of what a bear market is and what you can do to emerge victorious through this bear market. If it's your first time here at the Crypto Jeb channel, then I thank you for watching, and I encourage you to subscribe so that you can stay up to date on what matters in crypto. Now let's go ahead and dive right on into it. First things first, what is a crypto bear market? The short and satisfying answer comes to us from Coinbase.com. Markets experiencing sustained and/or substantial declines are called bear markets. We will stick to the short answer for this video, but you should know that the definition of a bear market has always been debated by experts, and there are significant differences between crypto bear markets and equities bear markets. But moving on. I first said that I thought we were in a bear market when it broke down through its uptrending line of support on May 6th, 2022. I called it there because until then, we hadn't broken that line of support. We were technically in a bull market because the prices were continuing to make higher lows. So while there is certainly ambiguity around when a bull market ends and a bear market begins, the consensus among traders is that as of June 3rd, Bitcoin is in a bear market. And considering most major altcoins like Ethereum and Binance generally follow the price movement of Bitcoin, we can also safely say that we are indeed in a crypto bear market. Now that that's settled, let's look more into what you can do about it. Believe it or not, bear markets are actually where millionaires are made. By this, I mean that if you are in the fortunate position of having some disposable income during a bear market, then there is a good chance that you could be sitting on a huge opportunity. Now, that might sound overly optimistic, but I can tell you that it happened to my friend Jeb, the namesake of this channel. He bought into several cryptocurrencies in previous bear markets, and now those cryptos are worth a heck of a lot more. In dollar amounts, he did become quite wealthy as a result of his decision to buy crypto while the market was low. Since then, we have been trying to educate people like you on the power of buying during a bear market. Now, if you are watching this video, you might be getting excited about the prospect of making a lot of money. Of course, there's nothing wrong with that. But I would also offer that the biggest reward that I've gained so far in crypto is actually the knowledge of how crypto and Web3 work. I have obtained that knowledge through countless hours of doing my own research and maintaining a commitment to understanding what I'm invested in. So getting back to the potential of this bear market, I would like to point out a few reasons why I think this bear market is unique, then give you a rough prediction about when the bull market will put an end to the bears. If you agree that this bear market is unique, kindly smash the like button and tell me in the comments why you agree. So I believe that this bear market is an especially good time to buy into crypto for two main reasons. First, there has been a lot of institutional adoption of Bitcoin as an investment, and there is likely even more to come once Bitcoin confirms a bottom. Financial giant JP Morgan recently switched their preferred alternative asset to crypto from real estate. Fidelity is enabling crypto-compatible 401ks for its corporate clients. And for those of you who don't know, Fidelity's corporate clients number in the tens of thousands, which translates into tens of millions of North American 401ks that can now add Bitcoin. These giant financial institutions are showing that they are very willing to be on board with crypto, and that means that the price after this bear market should be aggressively bullish. The other reason that crypto is a good buy in this bear market is that in the last few months of 2022, crypto payment infrastructure has developed dramatically. In the past 6 months, point-of-sale company NCR and online credit card company networks FIS and Blackhawk all have announced that they are ready and willing to process Bitcoin and other crypto. In May 2022, Stripe, the second largest electronic payment processor, announced that they will process Bitcoin using the Lightning Network. There is now nothing stopping brick and mortar or online vendors from accepting Bitcoin completely legally. All that's needed now is for actual vendors themselves to start accepting crypto payments. So as you can see, Bitcoin is primed to explode when its price confirms a bottom. For now, though, crypto is held in this bear market limbo, and investors are waiting on the sidelines in case crypto prices continue to go lower. The question on everyone's mind is, how long will this crypto bear market last? It is, of course, pointless to make an exact prediction on when the bear market will be over, but there are some indicators that we can look to give us a pretty good idea. In general, this bear market will likely follow the bear market over in the stock market, as it is beaten down by the U.S. Federal Reserve's interest rate hikes. These hikes have marked the end of a decade-long bull market for stocks, because when the Federal Reserve raises interest rates, then money becomes more expensive to borrow and thus motivates investors to stop buying higher risk assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum. These hikes won't last forever though. The Fed uses these hikes to get inflation under control. So the answer to when the bear market will end is ultimately determined by inflation and interest rates. If you are serious about investing in crypto during this bear market, the best place to stay up to date on the factors that will produce a bottom is our morning live stream at 10 a.m. Eastern Time. Every day, we track the most important movements in the global economy to try to determine the price movements of Bitcoin and other crypto. I'd love to see you there. Just a quick note before I go. I want to warn you all about altcoins. If you are new to the crypto space, you're going to notice that there are a lot of altcoins that seem like they may be the fastest route to getting rich. Please know that I do not recommend getting into smaller cap crypto projects for many reasons. A good tool that my team uses to check if crypto is worth our time is called Token Metrics. Token Metrics is an AI-driven crypto research platform which turns data into actionable investment insights to help you filter out bad altcoins. You can find a link for Token Metrics in the description of this video. All right, well that's all I have for you today. Remember to subscribe if you are new, and don't forget to body slam that like button on the way out. And that's all I've got for you today. I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next video and on our live stream. Peace.
Whoa!
Whoa!
Look at this guy.
He watched the entire video.
What a cool guy.
I think the next thing that he wants to do is hit the like button and then probably even subscribe to the channel.
And perhaps even comment down below what he thought.
That would be pretty cool.
Wow, what a cool guy.